All right, I'm here with Gyrus. Hey, Gyrus, say
How
hi
you
to
doing?
everybody.
Yes, sir.
And he just became a new VIP seller. We're getting ready to list this awesome home here in Snellville. And Gyrus, what do you like most about what we shared today?
First and foremost, just Anthony being transparent and honest. I love somebody that can work with you one-on-one and just be completely clear, and somebody that you can respect and trust. Then also just their ability to have such a networking infrastructure. I know that people will be able to come to my house, and they'll also be able to show me homes I wouldn't be able to see online.
Okay, so you like our off-market home process.
Absolutely.
And you like us having our everyday open house where buyers can get information to your house, how we expose it to everybody in our 15,000 buyer network. Did I show you buyers today, 15,000?
15,000.
Have you ever heard of an agent having that many
Never.
buyers
No,
in the database?
no, that doesn't exist.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a therapist. I actually own my own practice, Passion for Peace.
Awesome. Passion for Peace. So do a little quick commercial on how you could help somebody and what Passion for Peace could do for them.
Absolutely. Passion for Peace is someone that meets you where you are at. So if you're ever struggling with any mental health issues, anxiety, depression, marriage and family issues, we'll take care of you.
And you work with kids, because I got a big heart for kids, right?
Absolutely. Work for kids, going to schools, going to high schools, middle schools, elementaries, work with kids that are struggling in class with their behavior, maybe their focus, ADHD, whatever it might be. I'll work with them.
Awesome. We all got a little ADHD ourselves,
Amen.
right?
I do myself.
Would you recommend our real estate team for anybody looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate?
Literally anyone. Absolutely.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you at closing.
All right. My pleasure.